Today we'll see the other methods to convert this PDF file to an Excel file. In previous video we have seen how to use the PDF reader. So now in the same blog I have given, this is the method 2. This we are going to use the tabula file. So for that you have to install this tabula. So pip install tabula. It's already installed. Then you have to install the JDK, open JDK. So using this you can install this. So this blog I will share in the description. You can follow the steps. In case you have get any broken errors, then you have to fix it with fix-broken. Then since we are using an Excel file, to understand the Excel file, you need this. Vim install, open, VY Excel. So this is required. Once these three all are installed, then this is the code for converting. So here we are importing the tabula module and tabula.read PDF, and you have to give the PDF name. So this page shows that which particular page we want to do, and this shows the index. So here particular value in the table can be extracted. The previous video whatever we give it will completely convert, but here particular value you can convert. So this is, you'll write it to the Excel sheet. We can modify this and check. So now I'll just run it, Python 3. So we have, as per this code, we are taking in page to 0. So we'll see what happens. This would have created that Excel file. So this Excel file, you can check whether it has created. It has created. We can open this Excel sheet. It has taken all bread. If you open the sample file, this is page 1. This is page 2. In page 2, it has taken the first value. So now we can convert, we can change the code and take from the first page. We'll see how it works. Table and just change this page number. So now we should get a different output. We should get the first entry in the first table. Check whether we are getting. Run it. See whether it got updated. Now it has given the first entry. We'll check. This is the first entry in the first table. So this is how you can extract a particular table entry using tabula method. So you can read this API, and if you want to change, you can change as per your requirement. So previous one it will extract the full. This one it will extract a particular table entry in a particular table, particular page actually. This is a page and table. So thank you. You can use this method. This is a tabula method to convert PDF to Excel file.